I'm feeling really good, even though there's like almost 4 feet of snow outside. Um, Mercury conjunct Saturn might be beneficial for me and anybody else who has the very late degree air sign. I have a late degree conjunction Mercury Uranus, and it's the kind of thing where, oops, I should plug this in. Well, my cat knocked down the lamp, pardon me, oh boy, lampshade, so I kind of made a makeshift lamp, but now I have an idea. I mean, it's just, I already thought about it in my head, and then I walked over there and I found what I needed, like, I was like, oh, there it is, and the handle fell off anyway, so this basket, it's gonna work. It's not, I know it looks dangerous or something, but this is not really a hot bulb, and plus it has, see, I have a little, this little thingy. It's the kind of thing we do up in the mountains when it snows, and we just get kind of crafty. We get crafty anyway in the mountains. You know, we figure out what we don't need and what we can use if we really needed something. We thought we needed something, and so I just think that this is going to be, you know, I might have to poke a hole in it. Man, I hope not. I don't think. I mean, it will be really easy. Ideally, you know, I would just like use a metal tool. Maybe it's, thanks for joining me. This is like, instead of Mr. Rogers, it's Shauna's adventure, and that really worked really well. It's just no problem, babes. There is, whoops, a hole now that I will be sticking this little thing that holds a light bulb. You know, it clasps on. So now that I got the hole down the middle, see, do you like the way I'm just letting you know about this boring situation? You know, I'm going to tell you about it. See, I could, see, ideally I would put the wrap that I had originally had, which is wax paper. You know, wax paper can actually get really hot and not burn. You know, that's what it does. I'm sorry, this is not wax paper, this is parchment paper. I always get those two mixed up. So I think what I'll do is I will line this box with the parchment paper in such a way that is, I'm just going to do it within seconds. You know, and it's going to be okay. In fact, what I'm doing, putting the parchment paper, you want to make this go viral, because I know that this is the most clever thing that you've ever seen in your entire life. I don't know, this is the Aquarius, you know, I do have a Mercury. I was just trying to tell you about that. It's clever. I mean, it's not, we're not clever. Clever is a boring word. We're more like geniuses. Things actually almost make sense around us for a spell, you know, temporarily. Some things aren't perfect in life, and you just have to make it perfect, baby. Just make it work. You know, it doesn't just come perfect like this. You got to make it perfect. So that's what I'm good at doing. Excuse me. And I'm going to take a little shower. See how I lined this pretty good? And I was going to try and tell you that the crunched up edges are just going to add to a better, you know, I want shade, you know. So now that I've stuck the little light bulb pincher into the basket, I'm going to now put the cap on. This cap is essential to the the whole thing holding. Squinch it on. So now we have very, very possible. There we go. Huh? Oops. Well, that's just a malfunction because of this thing here. Pardon me. It needs to be bent a little bit more. I noticed that before I was putting it in. Oh, well, you're not supposed to wave it around, but it's ready to roll. You get the idea. You know, I don't think my cat is going to get to it. And I really don't think it's what is going to happen is what you think is going to happen is that the place is going to burn down. Otherwise, I mean, you'd be surprised. But I'll probably. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this to get back in there. There we go. There we go. Pardon me. So anyway, I think it's going to work for the most part without cheerleading it around. Thank you for going on this journey with me, Shauna's adventure in Snowland, where she just wants her her lamp to work again, like semi cover. You know, we'll get it to work.